is up, everyone? So today I am on vacation and I am going to show y'all what I eat and train for the whole day. Make sure you stick around. It is currently 8 a.m. and I am going to go work out. So let's go ahead and let's rise and grind, everyone. Rise and grind. Everyone's getting ready.
We're grinding, they're all asleep.
Show your fakers. I'm awake.
Oh, she's awake. This is the place we're gonna eat. I don't know what it's called, but it looks so good. Good vibes only, baby. That's what it's called. So for coffee, what did I get, love?
I don't know what you got.
This is a salted coconut latte. Looks so good. Gotta shake it up, really shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Did you get almond milk?
Yes, it comes with almond milk. This is very good. I like it. Alright, so we got the avocado toast, the egg white, and then some fruit with our coffee. And what about you? What you
Egg whites, potatoes, bacon, and toast.
This
Not
is
as healthy as yours, but I wanted some potatoes.
Yes. So you see, guys, this is the breakfast. All right, let's tear it up. All right, guys, we went ahead and tore it up. Did you tear it up? Man, you didn't like it. Look at your plate.
It was alright.
It's empty. How about you?
Like two of them. I cleared the plate.
Okay. Blake had French toast, by the way. Ooh, man. All right. Breakfast, check. All right, guys. So we are here at the boardwalk. This is how we do our cardio, right?
Yes, this is
So
the cardio
this is
for
the
the
cardio
day.
for the day. We're gonna be walking around all these shops right here in the boardwalk.
And then we will be honest with you, if Joe decides to get ice cream or something, I'm gonna let you guys know.
Yes. Okay. I'm not really too much in a diet right now. I'm just relaxing, but I still try to keep it healthy. Alright, guys, so we did some walking and we got
I'm so dead.
I'm like sweating.
We got the cardio in.
We got the cardio in.
Low-key pretty tired.
And now I think we're gonna go swim. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Alright, we might go swim, I'll let you know, but that was some good cardio, some good walking, and let's get out of here. Alright guys, so we're here at the beach and I'm gonna drink some Gatorade. This one is actually the 80 calorie one. And then after that, I'm gonna go swimming in the ocean. And it's kind of windy out here, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, I'm gonna go get some swimming done, and then we'll see what happens after, what we're gonna go eat and stuff. So right now I'm just gonna hold it down with the Gatorade. What a workout. Just got done from the beach and it was so fun. Look at this, look how beautiful it is with the sun. So now we're gonna go probably get something to eat. I'm not sure what we're gonna eat today. So here we go. So guys, we came to a surf shop and just to like chill, and then just to check it out, see some surfboards and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get some walking in here. The store is pretty big, as y'all are gonna see right now. Check it out. Alright, so I just went into the surf shop, as y'all saw, and I didn't come out with anything. I came out with just some ice cream because I'm starving and we haven't even eaten. Everybody here is getting me mad, so I need some food. So it's time to eat my ice cream. So I couldn't handle it anymore because I got hungry, and I'm eating some pizza and 2 wings. That's what I'm eating. Why? Because Sarah doesn't feed me.
This is
Look, she's over there eating and she doesn't feed me.
feed me, Seymour.
Alright, so I'm gonna eat this pizza and wings, and then we're gonna go eat hopefully later. Alright guys, so the final meal of today, we are gonna go get some Whataburger because there is nothing open, and the only thing that's open that's actually in Florida is Whataburger. So let's go get some. Yeah.
Yes, that's what vacation's about. Late night Whataburger runs. So it's gonna be lit.
Yeah, alright, let's go get some.
Alright, show them what you're eating for dinner.
Right, for dinner, got some ranch and buffalo, some fries, and a grilled chicken sandwich. Looks pretty crusty, but you know what? I haven't ate, so.
A crusty grilled chicken sandwich.
Yes. Let's try it out. Let's get to eating. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification so that way we can get more content. I hope you like that Florida eating stylish kind of thing. So we will see y'all guys on the next video. See y'all. Peace, baby.